Welcome again to our YouTube channel. Today this is your favorite photographer, OPTICAL, and today we are going to take you through the process on how we use SNOT light to achieve this beautiful image. Stay tuned as we embark on this journey, and don't forget to drop your comments and share. So today, first of all, the lighting. We'll be talking about the lighting. First of all, I reached out to the model and I shared the mood board with her, and she said that she loved the concept, and also the video that is playing now is kind of behind the scene, kind of like as we are shooting. So now let's get straight to the picture. So first of all, I made use of the SNOT lights. I made use of 3 light setup, one softbox. As you can see, my continuous light for focus, as you can see, and this reflector as a filter for the SNOT lights. So to be sincere, first of all, the light setup was kind of challenging because we are trying as much as possible to maintain the lighting and also making sure that we're getting the details of what we want to achieve. Yeah, you can see me moving my light up and down, trying to get the position, because the model see that one side of her face is her favorite. So in order to achieve that, I have to shift my light and position it. So here you can see on the reflector from the back, you can see there is a SNOT light that shows a love sign there and one big soft bulb with a purple gel inside. So the SNOT light is giving us a white love sign at the reflectors, then why the big softbox is giving us a purple color on the body, that's the model's body. Okay, so we tried as much as possible, and we also test run with videos and all this in order to get our actual shoot. It was quite challenging. At some point I was like, what's happening, kind of stuff. So we practiced, and at the end we didn't get actually the initial picture, but at least we're able to get something that is okay. So I feel that the more we practice, the more we challenge ourselves on this field, and the more we take the decision of getting better, we actually achieve something unique and amazing. So now I'm going to show you guys the picture we took, and I would like you to give me an honest comment on what your thoughts about the picture is, and also if you feel like there is something you need me to explain more in this video, please drop your comment.